Welcome to our tutorial on monetizing faceless videos on YouTube. In this video, we will delve into effective strategies and tips to help you generate income through your content. Monetization is a key aspect for aspiring YouTubers. Understanding how to maximize your YouTube earnings can significantly impact your success in the digital space. Creating faceless videos offers a unique approach to content creation. It allows you to focus on the message without revealing your identity, providing a versatile platform for various topics. YouTube earnings can be a game changer for content creators. Learning how to leverage the platform's monetization features is crucial for sustainable revenue. Maximizing revenue through faceless videos requires a strategic approach. By implementing the right techniques, you can enhance your earning potential and reach a wider audience. Diving into the world of faceless content creation opens up opportunities for passive income streams. Understanding the nuances of YouTube monetization is key to long-term success. Effective monetization strategies can transform your YouTube channel into a profitable venture. Consistency and quality content are fundamental pillars for sustainable growth. Aspiring YouTubers can benefit greatly from optimizing their faceless videos for monetization. Understanding the algorithm and audience engagement is crucial for maximizing earnings. Unlocking the potential of faceless videos involves experimenting with different revenue streams. Diversifying your income sources can provide stability and growth opportunities. YouTube offers various tools to help content creators track their earnings and optimize monetization. Utilizing these resources effectively can boost your revenue streams. Monetizing faceless videos requires a strategic mindset and a deep understanding of your target audience. Tailoring your content to meet viewer preferences is essential for success. In the competitive landscape of YouTube, consistency and innovation are key to standing out. Embracing new trends while staying true to your brand can drive long-term success. Educating yourself on the latest monetization trends and features can give you a competitive edge in the digital sphere. Stay informed and adapt to the evolving platform dynamics. Faceless videos offer a level of anonymity that can appeal to a wide audience. Leveraging this anonymity while delivering valuable content can enhance viewer engagement and retention. YouTube presents a vast opportunity for content creators to turn their passion into a profitable endeavor. By honing your skills and understanding the platform, you can achieve financial success. In conclusion, mastering the art of monetizing faceless videos on YouTube requires dedication and continuous learning. Stay committed to your goals and watch your channel thrive. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the lucrative world of faceless video monetization. Start implementing these strategies today and pave your path to YouTube success. Remember, with the right knowledge and determination, you can turn your faceless videos into a thriving source of income. Keep creating, keep growing, and keep monetizing. Good luck!